Hi, how are you? It's Ching. And today we practice Qigong again. And this will be the last video of 2021. So this is December already. And the holiday is coming, so this will be my last one for this year. If you just join us, you're so welcome. We have so many video already uploaded, so check the playlist. I would like to share this one Qigong that I have developed and during the lockdown time and year 2020. So from the end of March, April, May, and June, and going before I reopen again, I had a chance to, teaching through the virtually, and improve my own practice in my yard. I'm kind of lucky. I have this property in my home and pretty big yard, so I get a lot of nice fresh air. And through that, of course, it's quite scary at the same time. I don't know I'm gonna have a business still after. So, but you can't stay in the fear. So, in a way, I would say I'm kind of blessed because I love to move. If I move, somehow the positive energy charge up for me. That's why I keep sharing how important movement is and how many different ways to move. So my book title is One Body, One Life, Within Your Control. I'll talk a little bit later on. So what I want to share at the end of the year of 2021 is this Qigong that I developed to encourage myself and bring up the positive thinking to have a better outlook and don't like the people, control my thinking. And the things like the understanding is come from knowledge. The more you have less fear. And fear is okay. Fear is always going to be there. But if you can transcend the fear into a positive growth, right, you came out winning. You come out stronger. So, right, the simplest thing you hear in the song and the words, it says, whatever doesn't kill us makes us stronger. Let's keep that way. So this Qigong, we call it the Heights of Wellness, Fearless Qigong. And so constant putting the three power together, heaven, human, and the Mother Earth. So we are part of nature. Okay, we kind of forgot about it because it's life is getting more modern, so a lot of people accumulate in the big city. Sometimes a little harder to find nature. And when I was young, big city is fun to go, take classes, watching, shows and all that. Now, to a certain age, the older you are, the wiser, hopefully, and you want to stay with the nature more often, go hiking and go to the park if you live in the city and feel the grass, right? Feel the wonderful, we have all this wonderful local farm happen in different blocks in the city too. Yeah, so maybe, rent a little plot for yourself, do a little bit of work and feel the earth and get your hands dirty a little bit, okay? So here you go. This is the Heights Wellness Fearless Qigong that I developed during the lockdown time. So I'm going to put an end screen on for you. Has a little more explanation where I did it in the outdoor too. So today I'm just going to use this as celebration of his 2 years and hopefully thinking about reflect what we have learned. Going forward, be strong. We learned a lot. We learned not to be in control with the fear, right? Looking for answer. This is amazing body. The nature is like billions years, right? We're very small. We're very short. Our life is very short. So don't let it go through without knowing this body. We are the master to take care of this one body of yours. And no matter how much and how small you can do, you're going to do something, right? So getting there better and better. So I'm going right into this Fearless Qigong, inspired by the lockdown with the cover. And okay, here we go. There's a saying to it, so hopefully remember it and put it all together. So it's always mind, body, connect with the nature and part of us. Remember, this is small universe. living into the grand universe. Okay, so you ready? Nice and tall. Little spiral, giving the negativity and fear to the Mother Earth. Mother Earth will convert all that into a positive growth. With the positive growth, you become mature. And with the maturity, you develop the understanding. With the understanding, you develop your life. Since you're the creator of your life, you're the master of your life. Left side, give the negativity and fear to the Mother Earth. Mother Earth will convert that into a positive growth. With the positive growth, you become mature, just like the tree, gonna root it down, you grow tall, tall, tall. With the maturity, you develop the understanding. Reach, 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 tall. With the understanding, you create your life. Since you're the creator of your life, you're the master of your life. I do one more set. And give the negativity and fear to the Mother Earth. In Qigong, we'll call this sitting on the cross leg. And the Mother Earth will convert that into a positive growth. And with the positive growth, you become mature. So just looking at this beautiful big tree, the rooting so much more in growth. And with the maturity, you develop understanding. So the weather change, winter comes, snow comes, blizzard comes, hurricane comes. No, it's part of nature. It challenged me to become stronger. And since you're the master, right? You create your life, you're the master of your life. And the left side, give the negativity and fear to Mother Earth. Mother Earth will convert that into a positive growth. With the positive growth, you become mature. And with the maturity, you develop the understanding. Life changes all the time, right? Follow the change and stressor, you create your life. Since you create your life, you're the master of your life. And you come back in and release. Nice and tall. Okay, so I'm going to use that to end the year, especially this past 2 years. I hope we become stronger and take good care of yourself. So, because things going to happen over and over. We're not going to be controlled by the fear. And each time comes, stressor is called life, right? You never get beat down because things going to happen. You have enough knowledge, you know how to fix it. So that's why the title of my book is One Body, One Life, Within Your Control. And in the book, there's 18 QR code. The technology is amazing, right? You put a QR code, that little square thing. You put your phone on it, you can, you will find 18 exercise program with anatomy charts, and which I video and film during the lockdown time. So my studio become a production studio, and just me and my videographer. So we did a lot of video because I'm already planning to, writing my book since 2018. So I use that time since I can work, but my studio is still there, right? So you try to be creative finding things. So how to order my book? You go to www.onebodyoneLifewithChing.com. So So that's my book website. You can also order my book from Amazon, but you just have to write the title, right? One Body, One Life within your control. And next year, 2022, with the book, I also develop lots of workshops coincide with the book. So you want to learn the foundation is the first thing you want to learn is purposeful movement. There are 9 different focus. What's my feet, right? We call little soldier, how to develop the strength and the powerful leg and the first responder. First thing is, of course, beautiful posture. There are all 9 different focus to build a foundation. We call it fundamental. We might missed when you start doing your marathon, right? So your body has like 650 different muscles. We don't want to kill that leg all the time. So you have movement fundamental, okay? Purposeful movement, we call it. And then we're going into the next level will be injury-free exercise. How use what we have learned and into, right? Call it develop good technique. And then ageless exercise. So you have choices. So hope to see you in my workshop starting February 2022. So you can go to my practice website, www.heightsofwellness.com. Check out all the workshop. I hope to see you there because we can have conversation, learning in person, and I can give you feedback. You can ask me as many questions as you want. So growing together is important. Then guess what? Then when you go home, you have the book, you have the video. It's all there as a practice partner. And then each one, and you might go to the level 2 and level 3 in different way. You might find interest in, Pilates, strengthening exercise, maybe, how to do learning the 4 level of the Tai Chi Chuan. Takes time. Everything takes time, right? Become a concert pianist takes time. Become a chef takes time. But only when it comes to exercise, we want something done yesterday. So something is wrong. Okay, so well, take good care and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. See you next year.